Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called convert hours and minutes into seconds. So it's going to ask us to take two integers, which are called hours and minutes, and converts them to seconds and adds them. Okay, so as you can see from the example, I'm guessing this is 1. The 1 is going to be 1 hour, and then 3 is going to be 3 minutes, which is going to be equal to 3,780 seconds. Here is going to be 2 hours and 0 minutes, and it's going to equal 7,200 seconds. Okay, let's go to the code tab. I think if you don't know, in the resources tab, it gives you a lot of information that will help you with the problem. So if you don't know how many seconds are in, like, let's say in an hour or in a minute, uh, you have resources right here to help you out. But since you're watching the video, I will help you out with this. So what I would like to do to make it less convoluted, I'm going to make this, I'm going to do an int hours converted, which I'm going to do, so in every hour there's 60 minutes, right? So hours times 60 minutes, and then times, and then every minute there's 60 seconds, so I'm going to multiply 60 seconds. There we go. And then I'm going to do also an int minutes converted, which again, in every minute there are 60 seconds. So I'm going to multiply it by 60. So then I just return hours converted and add that up with minutes converted. And this should pass the test for the question. And as you can see, it passed all the tests. Thank you for watching the video. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.